Welcome to this training video. This will be a very short training video and it will just show you how to work with BitBucket. It's just kind of web-based version control management, and some corresponding Git stuff will be there, and there is a client tool, SourceTree, to interact with BitBucket, and just some stuff from there. Okay, so this is so far the bucket, some repositories created here, and you can see there are two branches created, develop and master. Both of them belong to origin master, origin and develop. Here the idea is, if you check my previous articles, the developer I will only develop this stuff, and when after development is done, it will go master, and master that will be deployed. And develop will be working develop. I will getting multiple branches, and maybe hotfix branch. If I do hotfix, if there is a release version, I create a release branch, and there is a feature to it. There will be a feature branch. Create a branch, the feature done it, and shoot it up and put the BitBucket server kind of thing. That will be the workflow. Actually, in part will make it public, but not yet. You can clone. If you clone it, this is the option. It is the BitBucket.com or BitBucket.org. If you learn it like this, so you can also get launch insert. So I think this is not my focus, but I think just any success management. I think user password if you want some other pull to access product management. Okay. Issue, I think BitBucket it all comes with issue tracker. So if you want to integrate with issue tracker like Java or Mantis or Jilla, so for here default is /cn, so probably go with it. That's right. Anyway, so my focus will be the SourceTree tool. That will be my main focus, not this one, but it is related, so I am showing anyway. Okay, this is the SourceTree. Okay, so let it you nothing, just in a SourceTree. So how do I bring this here? Actually, in case can you do, let's create the folder backup this for control BitBucket final. Okay, so I use git command thing from the even from US command, and if you go this folder and typing git in it, so it will such a git folder. Okay. Yeah, you have installed Git in your system forward, and for it you can check other videos. And at the end of the string video, I will also show other resources that may find useful. Better probably the prerequisite for this particular video. So after doing it and you initialize it, you just add new and then just show path in. So just add select folder, so it will automatically load there. And other things you can also work like this. Let's see. So Git is already installed our system, and just run this command where you want git clone some. So it will be create actually why that you get on BitBucket first. What can you do? You can create this folder in your system, you to git in it, and after some work you can commit and you can push the BitBucket over, right? In case you don't need git to run because you already have the folder and all the git initial line, you already push your look stuff to the BitBucket server. And yeah, you need to create a repository in BitBucket for sure, because when you put it, you have to enter the repository you want to push it to. So yeah, I think this type of URL will be helpful, but in that it will be git pull, the git command. It will not be git clone command. Git clone command will be used if you just set it from BitBucket, and then you want it to be clone your role, then use this git clone. And another thing, if you want, the main that is trying to do is you want some similar here, so you already have a local git repo, so you can just clone it and it and from there you can also create a repository for destination path. And what is this commit? let it you change file for me. Let it I using names here, just create a protein names that will point all the file control app, and it is BitBucket channel like common. I will now change here, let it db meter username say root, changed it in source. Actually it is new uncommit change. So if you want to commit, you can do, you can do what the changed is not shown here, you can just take it here to there, just this. I think I can use this, doing this here. So this is called staging for commit. So staging concept is you can modify added many, but you don't want anything to be committed. So after you run, you can state what you want to for commit. So you select it and click here and commit here. If you click commit, at this one will not allow to commit by edit stage any. Commit as the commit for the first commit, but if I click on commit, it dot commit, it will tell me I did not change anything. Looks like it's none the stage dot anything to commit. You left it message blank. You have to stay change to. Okay, so you have to first have to do comment. Now I am in here. I think you could actually using a Windows command prompt. This is the Windows command prompt, and going in this phone you can run the git commands. It will work. Okay, but zip as I am already here. Git status. You see the previous 3 videos. It will show that git command is here. Okay, it is just telling the none for staging, but there is a file modified. So if you want to use a string from command line, what to do? Git add, you can say git add star or git add, it is add what is changed or edited modified everything for staging. Okay, this is without delete. Okay, this is updated modified. These are the unupdated stuff. Okay, yeah, I think this is everything. This is for updated stuff, probably without delete. This also new updated with delete. Okay, check. Another thing is, let's, and this is the Windows command prompt. SourceTree also have shell terminal. It will like Max shell. So you can use the git status here as well. It is modified. Okay, this is modified, but it's not easy yet. You want to, so it will be is this change. And if you run it status, so this is an image. Let's see the situation here. So again, git transfer this from here. That is my staging. And there is another risk you can see where the changes are shown for the particular file. Yep. You could give d command to see the differences and changes in files, but you cannot see it here. Anyhow, if you commit, you will check the committing. So after you commit it, you can push is activate, right? Activated, it's not local, but if you want to push it to server, I mean from here, it will be back now. So this pull are there. Push will call the change to there. Say push. So I want to only double. I do not want to push the master now at working on that point. So if you just okay, so it push the changes to server. Doing it, if you want to do it from the command line, so it will be git push, and let's say you want to say exec command, you have to actually use this something like this, git push or in, and let's see here, yeah, then to give this one git push origin develop, this URL will be pushed here. Okay, I'll be coming to the tutorials. So push will do it. You can also do it from Windows command line or this terminal. It will be good push command. That's all. Okay, so we did the commit. Okay, let's do this pushing here. Just will make that branch to be your working directory. So you can create a new branch and switch to that. You can create a remote branch, switch to that, those kind of things. So check out existing. If you want to you can check out to new. Okay, develop. So I think when you will be working, you need to, I think this is something you can easily, you probably can do it in the beginning. Just switch to the right branch you want to work with, then you can do all the push, committing and all those things, committing, merging or whatever. And you can also do it from the terminal or from the command line. Let's say it will be git checkout develop. So I'm already on develop. You could check git checkout master. It would be going to the master. You could say git checkout -b develop 2. So it will be creating a new branch and we'll switch to that new branch. That means your working directory will be the new branch. Discard, stash just you can whatever you are working on, without staging them or without committing them, you can temporarily hold them and work on something new, and after finishing the new stuff you can come back and you can take the stash out and work it and finish it. You just without doing the staging. If you want to temporarily hold something and work on a new branch or create a new branch and work on it, and after fixing, if you come back and want to work with whatever you stashed, you can pull this stash out and then work with that. Git add. I think after let's say it is equivalent to git add command. Discard, it looks like it should be equivalent to revert command. It will revert all the changes. And add, it is the staging thing. It's just the git add command. It is that thing. Remove is opposite of add. Okay, just telling that if we remove it, all the changes will be gone as well. Let's say so the file is not here anymore. It is just the outcome of the remove. fetch, it is for fetching from the server, for pulling, for pushing, for creating branches and all those things, merging multiple branches, tagging, git flow, production branch, development branch, feature branch, release branch, hotfix branch. Okay, there are some errors. Anyway, terminal you already know, so looks like the basic stuff that you can do for sure. Is there anything here? Yeah, conflict resolved, it is when there are some conflict between files, multiple people changed in the same file in the same places. Yeah, it is a SSH key related stuff. If you don't know, I think if you use the git push or git pull, in that case you will be asked the password every time, but if you use the SSH key and identify your computer, in that way it will not ask you for the password. What else did I want to show? Okay, this one, adopting Git, one repo for one project. Anyway, so you can read it to understand how you can initialize all this stuff. Think about the master branch, develop branch, and initial repository creation and all those, and all the stuff that we talked about, the branch or feature branch, release branch, hotfix branch, all those things, all of them are discussed here. And also there is one another related stuff. Yeah, you can also check this, some experiment with BitBucket web-based GitHub like version control management. Okay. Yeah, you can see the different Git client. It talks about GitHub, BitBucket, GitLab, all of them. And if you want your in your Windows PC to have some sort of Git server, you can also use I think it's a Bono B server or something, Bono Git server. That's what you can use. And if you go to alternate.2 or alternative.2 website, if you give GitHub or Bonobo Git server, you can find the alternative servers for this to this software. Anyway, you can check out my websites at this bangla.SaLearningSchool.com or blog.SaLearningSchool.com, SaLearningSchool.com. These are all training related website, either free articles or free training videos. Anyway, have a good weekend. Hope you find something useful. Thank you and have a good day.